Freepik AI and Magnific have officially changed the creative game forever. Welcome to the future of professional design. Today, we're diving into the most powerful AI ecosystem of 2026, a world where your wildest ideas become reality in seconds. Freepik has evolved. By acquiring Magnific AI, they've created a unified powerhouse for images, video, and professional upscaling. This isn't just a stock library anymore. It's a Costco for AI, bundling over 30 of the world's leading models into one suite. The heart of this workflow is Freepik Spaces. It uses a node-based canvas that lets you visualize and automate your entire creative pipeline. From massive stock libraries to advanced AI assistants, every tool you need is now under one collaborative roof. Let's look at a practical workflow. We start in a space, generating high-fidelity images by comparing multiple models at once. Next, we enhance our favorite result with the Magnific Upscaler, pushing the resolution to a stunning 10K for professional output. Then we pipe that image directly into the video generator. Using models like Kling and Luma, we bring our static designs to life. Everything stays organized in spaces, allowing your whole team to collaborate on the same infinite canvas in real time. Once perfected, you export professionally. The speed and quality here are simply unmatched in the industry today. Why switch? First, speed. What used to take days of back and forth now takes minutes within a single node-based environment. Second, the quality. With the original Magnific technology built in, you get the gold standard for AI upscaling and detail. And perhaps most importantly, you get a full commercial license, giving you the peace of mind to use these assets in any professional project. Despite the power, the node-based UI makes it incredibly easy to use. It's professional power with a consumer-level learning curve. You aren't locked into one model. You have access to the best models in the world, all under one affordable subscription. Now, if you're planning to upgrade to premium, listen closely. Do not register directly on the main page. Create a new account using the special link in the description first. This is crucial for the best possible deal. Eligible new users can unlock promotional pricing of up to 89% off through the referral offer. Open the description now. To recap, you're getting world-class AI images and high-end AI videos in one seamless platform. Plus, the legendary Magnific AI Upscaler, infinite collaborative spaces, and millions of premium stock assets. Whether you're a solo creator or part of a global agency, this is the creative engine you've been waiting for. Check the description right now to access the latest available promotional offer and start creating today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.